Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Seney, Michigan, a quiet town surrounded by beautiful forests and wetlands. This little town is known for its peaceful atmosphere and scenic views that change with the seasons. Seney was founded in 1891 and quickly became a hub for logging and railroad activity in the Upper Peninsula. The town grew around the railway station and saw many travelers and workers pass through over the years. Its history is tied to both the lumber industry and the creation of nearby Seney National Wildlife Refuge. Today, the town is a gateway for outdoor adventures, including hiking, bird watching, and fishing. Visitors often stop to enjoy the historic buildings and the charm of small-town Michigan life. Whether you're exploring the refuge, learning about the town's history, or just enjoying a quiet drive, Seney offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Seney, Michigan. Thanks for watching!